juicy and red. B is for ball and bat, fun to play ahead. C is for cat, so cute and small. D is for dog and deer, E is for elephant, so tall. F is for fish and frog, both we see. G is for goat and goose, as happy as can be. H is for hen and horse running free. I is for igloo and ink pot, oh so neat. J is for jug and jaguar in the jungle. K is for kite flying high, never humble. L is for lion, king of the pride. Come on, sing along with me, let's learn with pride. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, where birds feel free. O is for octopus and owl, wise and bold. P is for penguin and parrot, stories told. Q is for queen with a crown so grand. R is for rainbow and rats on the land. S is for star and shark in the sea. T is for turtle, slow and shy you see. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin, we love to play. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play a melody. Y is for yak, strong and free. Z is for zebra, under the tree.